You're going to help me?
Yes, with you.
Yeah, we're going to work on cars together, aren't
Yes,
we?
and I will get my truck hat in the house and put it on backwards.
Oh, cool.
Paint all those cars and fix all those cars, right, Daddy?
Yeah, we're going to do that together, won't we?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna paint the car and fix the car
Yeah.
and put my hat on backwards and fix and then sell it to other people.
Sell it to
Okay.
some other
You're gonna make money?
Yes, with all those cars.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. Neato.
Uh-oh, he was going fast.
Yeah, he's going too fast, isn't he? We're coming up to a red light, so we got to stop. I see an airplane up there.